welcome to my channel. So, you know, I'm heading up to the Hoover Dam right now, you know, to clear my mind and, you know, enjoy my day, man. Oh, my ears are popping. Oh, my God. As you can see, guys, over here on the 11 freeway, there's a lot of cops over here. So if you're coming this way through Vegas and you heading to the Hoover Dam, make sure you do the speed limit. They out here. But I think we're supposed to get off right here. Yep. That's where we're going. Free our minds. So a lot of people don't know that, you know, in these times right now, a lot of people are going through a lot of mental stuff, you know what I mean? It's been tough on everyone. So, you know, kind of want to address the little mental illness right now, you know what I mean? I'm having myself. Times is just tough or whatever else. So I'm just gonna come up here, free my mind, look at the mountains, check out the Hoover Dam. Haven't been here in a while. Haven't brought the NSX up here yet, so let's just cruise around, enjoy the day. Gang, gang. And this is all new. They didn't clean all this up. This is all new stuff. So right now it's close to the time. My dad passed away 2 years ago. It'll be exact on January 19th, 2 days before his birthday. You know, part of it is just wasn't taking care of myself. But, you know, that's why I try to better my life now, go to the gym, eat right. You know, 2022, everybody should be doing the same thing. So, just gonna enjoy ourselves today, man. Have fun, relax, get our mind right. How's it going?
Any guns on board, sir?
No.
To your left, have a good day.
All right, thank you. Any guns on board? Man. Who the hell coming up here with guns and for what? A tourist. It's a tourist spot. I don't know. Guess people carry guns to the Hoover Dam now. So if you guys wonder if it costs to get into the Hoover Dam, no, it's free. You just smash up here. I thought they was charging now because they had security there and stuff, but they don't charge. It's all still free. I think the only place they charge you if you go to Lake Mead. A lot of people, because I used to, when I first moved here, I thought driving to the Hoover Dam, you had to drive through Lake Mead. And I used to always drive that way and get charged. I think it was like 20 bucks for the car to go through. And then I realized after a while, maybe probably like 3 years later, that I didn't have to take that way. So I was paying for no reason. Who knows? Change my shoes. It is a nice day today. Man, this is perfect. Seriously. Y'all see these mountains? Y'all see these rocks? It's funny, y'all, when people see a camera on you and stuff, people be thinking you automatically famous. Like, who are you? You a rapper? Play basketball?
Who? YouTuber.
A few minutes later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Man, this is beautiful. This is breathtaking. Man, this is a great place to come clear your mind, for real. Like, you guys haven't seen nothing yet. Wait till we get to the top. It's gonna be fly. Follow me. I'll tell you right now, boys, a lot of stairs. This is a lot of stairs. Getting steps in today, boy. Some Game of Thrones type of stuff. Man, I feel excited right now. I feel like I'm in my kingdom. This dude is on fire. I know y'all like my singing. It's dope, huh? That's it, bro. This is crazy. This is amazing. Guys, you gotta come to Hoover Dam and check out this overview. It's amazing. We're almost there to the top right now, so we're gonna push right on through this and get to the dam after this. You guys get to really see what it look like. Boys, y'all ready for this? This is about to be crazy. Ooh, this is beautiful. Now I will say, if you terrified of heights, you might not want to come here. You might just want to skip to the other part. And actually right now we over in, we just crossed over into Arizona. Right behind us is the Nevada welcome sign, so we here, man. I wonder if I can get one of these trucks to blow their horns. Didn't work. We'll try some more. Let's see, we're gonna go for it. There we go, hey! Let's go. It worked. High. Man, this is high. I got vertigo. It's making me dizzy. And I tell you guys, this is some epic. This is epic. Like, epic. Like, this is huge. Go crazy. All right, guys, so check this out. Wow. Tell you this thing is shaking. Yeah, man, you guys, you gotta free your mind. Get out. We've been locked down for too long, man. You gotta get out, take the family out. Enjoy life, man. It's precious. It's short, it's precious. You get old fast, you know what I mean? Before you know it, you be 103 years old. You're like, man, I can't even blow candles out without spitting out my dentures. A lot of people out here enjoying their day today. Man, it is beautiful out here, man. So right now we're walking down to the sign for Arizona. We're gonna walk down to the Arizona sign, and then we're gonna walk down to the Hoover Dam. And after that, get into something else. This is amazing. almost look fake. This almost look fake. Like this is some real architect type thing. Man. We're almost down to the end. Pretty sure the Arizona sun is down here. Guys gotta excuse, we actually got a freeway that comes into Vegas to the right of us. So you're gonna hear a lot of traffic. Yeah, man. Hoover Dam. Stuff like this make you appreciate life more. Looking pretty fly today, huh? I always say, work out, feel better, it's good, feel better. Start waking up in the morning, put on your best fit, your flyest fit. Anything to do, positive things to try to get your mindset to change, make you feel better. You know, this is definitely a hard time for me, but you know, gotta push through it, man. Gotta keep pushing. Life don't stop. Money don't stop. Nothing stops. Grind, grind, grind. You gotta push through it. Life is tough. It really is. All right, guys. So we made it to the end right now. I actually thought the Arizona sign was right here, but it's not. Well, actually, it is. You can't really see it right now, but if you zoom in over here, you can actually see the Arizona sign. So this is the end. Obviously, people put their gum germs all over this. Pretty disgusting, but whatever. We're gonna head down to the bottom. Keep it pushing. Let's go. So guys, you can also do tours here on helicopters. I think normally they're probably about, to do the Hoover Dam is probably like $150, $200. I'm guessing. But that's something also you could do, you know, free your mind, fly with the Eagles. But yeah, they got the helicopters come through here all the time, so. Down to the bottom, wrapping ourselves around. That's not good. No, what it is. So yeah, guys, get out, man. Live life. Get you a supercar. It'll make you feel much better too. Man, look at that. That is crazy. I bet it took a long time to build that. Chevy Chase type thing. What is going on over there? They got pipes coming down from the top. I can go over this bump right here. What in the world? Bro, like, what is they doing? This is can be tragic. they made sure you can't speed through here. Man, this wasn't here before. Like, this is all new. Or I'm just now recognizing it because I'm in a lower car. Because this is crazy. Like, my car is already on the ground and like, I know it's going to end up scraping. Oh, they charging for parking over here now too? Oh, yeah, they crazy. Oh, that's for trailers and RVs and stuff, so guys, if you don't know, right here is the dam, and so this is the overflow right here. So when the dam gets full of water, it'll come up and then it'll overflow into here if it's too high. But right now, I think the dam is like probably down, 500 feet, 1,000 feet, something like that. We're in a drought. That never gets rain, so. Nice turquoise blue water. Alright guys, so basically, you know what I'm saying, we literally just hit the Hoover Dam and just enjoying the day. And if you have any mental illness, any problems, and talk to someone, man, and try to figure out what's wrong with you, try to identify the problem, a lot of people just hold it in and tuck it away, and then next thing you know, they explode and end up doing crazy stuff. So just get out, breathe, enjoy Mother Nature, and live life. That's what it's about. Live your life. Anytime you can, live your life. But if you like, guys, subscribe, you know what I mean? Comment, whatever you guys do, just support your boy. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers and get monetized so I can get paid for this. I'm gonna come up with better content and all that other stuff. So on that note,